very good morning to one and all. We're standing in the grounds of LACC and this is our first sports
event
and the preparations have been really major. So let's see what will happen.
Yeah, sure.
During the entire day. So let's ask our president, Mr. Paulson, sir, about the event. Sir, what do you feel about the event?
I feel it's amazing. Okay, more and more students are participating, and this will be the beginning of a very big program that is going to take place in the future. Okay, sports is an integral part of career development of any good student, and I'm sure that at least a good percentage of our students have come today for participating in these events, and in the future we will have more and more participants, and our students will be the best sports persons in the United Arab Emirates in the years to come.
Thank you, sir. Sir, what do you feel about the participants that are participating for the event?
Well, one thing is there, all the people who are participating from different centers and different locations, most of them are sportsmen, and they have participated in intercollegiate tournament held in the United Arab Emirates. So we are confident of our team members, okay, and they are doing very well. We are proud of them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for holding a special event for us and helping us to take part and encouraging us. Thank you very much. Okay. So let's ask our administration, what do they think about the event? So moving on to Sir Ben, what do you think about the event, sir?
This event basically for our London American City College sports event being conducting for the first time, the inter-college competition. The thing is that just we want to make a friendly relationship between us. Like we got 3 sister branches from Dubai, Sharjah and Ras Al Khaimah. So we just want to make friendly matches, so that at least all 3 campus students, even though we are studying in the same campus, so at least all the students can come together at one point and they can participate in all the events. It doesn't matter like if we are winning or we are failing in some of the events. It's only the we are meaning is the participation, active participation of students. Like most students, sometimes they are not able to participate in some of the events, so some weak students. So what we are our intentions is to participate each and every student, because most of the events are like being free, it's open to all of them. Especially like even though like Sharjah teams will be conducting, all the Sharjah students, they are the volunteers, and all the coordinators have been coming from the Sharjah, even though all other branches have also been coordinating. So sometimes the best privilege I think goes to the Sharjah students, like they are doing the most well. Good job. They're doing a proper, very good job here, and so I can see that all students have been already came here. So shortly we'll be starting our event in quite a few minutes. So that's all.
Thank you, sir.
I'm Mr. Theo. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. How do you think about the participants? They are acting good.
First of all, I have to thank the Sharjah team.
Yeah.
They are really doing a good job so far. And thank you for your press. Today you've made yourself available.
Yeah.
And we hope the sun to go down very soon, because it's so hot.
It's hot, yeah.
Yeah, so we just want to really gain energy. This scorching sun taking our energy up.
Yeah.
So, but here we're going to start. This is the first history, to conduct a proper sports day in LACC. So I hope this sports would be a great and enlightened sports event, and we will wish everybody to have a good luck and show the talent.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you,
guys.
Mr.
Thank
Theo.
you. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you much.
Now let's talk to the main coordinators of the event. So Anusha and Brian, what do you think? What has your hard work been paid off? Is it been shown here? Is this the expected level that you work for?
Well, nothing else to say. This was our first attempt to organize something for LACC. This is the first LACC sports festival, and we are happy that it's going good so far. It's going good. That's it.
So Anusha, what do you feel after so much of hard work and so much of sleepless nights?
I feel good and hoping it goes better. And next time, if we get a chance, we'll do more better.
So next time, will you be organizing again?
No. We'll definitely try to, but if we get more, more chances, definitely we'll look forward to that.
Thank you for taking the initiative to coordinate an event. Thank you for all the hard work that you have paid.
Okay, now we will move to the participants. We'll know what comments they are going to give about the events. Hi.
Hi.
What's your good name?
Divya.
Okay. What's your opinion about this event?
Even it's good. It's actually interesting.
Yeah.
And the organization, everything is kind of cool.
Cool. Okay. Nice. What's your good name?
Harpreet.
Okay. Will you be participating next year?
Definitely next year because we want the cup to be in our hands.
Oh, is that?
At least once, yeah. So
Okay.
We will
Did
try
you win any events?
Yes. We will.
Okay, that's really cool. Okay, thanks for the day.
We have few winners over here, so let's ask them what they feel about the event. So, what do you feel after winning the competition?
I feel great after winning because it took a lot of practice for winning. So it's always good to win, you know. So I feel great.
And what do you feel about winning? After winning?
I feel good actually, but same, you know. I feel great. We practiced a little bit. Yeah, and they were too cool, so we won it. Yeah.
So, will you be participating for the next sports event? I mean, next sports next year?
We won't just participate. We'll take all of the medals. We will take the trophy. We'll let you all, like, you know, be desperate. Yeah, for winning.
It's a good spirit, you know. Winning spirit is like every athlete should have a winning spirit, as well as like when you lose, it's just a game. So it's always great to have the winning spirit.
So, good to hear that you're enjoying and taking everything in a good spirit.
Just the climate is little.
Now let's ask our teachers, staff members about the event. Hi Anju ma'am.
Hi.
What do you think about the event? What's your opinion about it?
It's going good. It's going good. This is the first time we are conducting this event and it's quite well.
Okay, cool. Hi ma'am. What do you think about your participants in how they performing?
Our participants are very nice because when we didn't expect these people are this much of active. Anyway, this day they enjoyed a lot. Even
in the volleyball match, what do you feel?
So happy that we actually got some points for a branch.
And who do you owe your success to?
Obviously my teammates and my coach.
Do you want to mention some names?
Yeah, Samir, Roshan, me myself, and other teammates like Haris and Wasim.
So let's ask our volunteer Jijo. How has the event been going now?
As of far, it is going really good. Everything is comfortable, cool. Guys, the teams are cooperating, and inshallah we'll finish the game. And now the football match is going on, and hopefully.
Have you been playing for any teams or any event?
I've been supporting the throwball girls, and now I'm going to actually play for finals in football.
So which branch do you think will win?
Do you need to answer that? Obviously, we would win.
What do you think about the event?
It was good. It was first time organized by our college, so we didn't knew about much of it, but it was okay.
Okay, how do you think your participants are? How far?
Our participants were very good. They played very nicely.
Okay, so you will be participating next year also for this event?
Of course. If they will give us medal, then we will.
Only for medal you guys coming?
We will participate.
Okay.
So let's ask one of our participant, Kashif, of what he feels about the event. What do you feel about the competitors in this event?
I feel great actually. You know, it's always a great experience to, you know, compete with great teams because we get to learn so many things. And, you know, we're pretty much confident that we're going to win the tournament, inshallah.
Thank you so much. So, sir, how was it managing such a big event?
Yeah, it's not a tough job for us because already we managed some kind of stuffs in my previous. I have experience in that, so it's not to manage. I enjoyed managing. I mean, I enjoyed this event, conducting this event, and we are spending this for more couple of days to be work, and it's still nice. It's going on. Fine.
Sir, how is it being a referee?
Yeah, same. Referee is not a new kind of thing for me. I have. Already I'm specialized. I have been specialization in volleyball and badminton, so as well as throw ball. So for the two games I used to be a referee. So okay, it's a nice moment, nice game. The games are very good, and players are extraordinary.
Thank you so much, sir. So we have come to the end of the whole event. Thank you for watching us, and this is me, Marine, and Joyson, standing with our camera press head, Rakib. Thank you so much.